Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan here. I want to show you what's going on today. The truck that I did all the work to, the engine is back. It broke down yesterday coming home. Not too far away, but did have to be towed in. Driver complained it was knocking and then shut off. It would not restart. Said if like the batteries were dead, the way the starter was cranking. But he's pretty sure it wasn't a battery issue. We did have power everywhere else in the cab. So pulled it in this morning. I did get it to start. It's running real rough. It has a bad miss. And I want to show you what I found. This is what we got for codes. I'll let it zoom in. Number 2 misfire. It's definitely going to be an ejector issue here. The turbocharge sensor, the little probe broke off in there, so I just replaced that already. So that code will probably go inactive. That was a loose sensor issue. It actually changed codes. And the EATS failures, the regen after treatment codes here are because it's really smoking real bad. As you can see, it was pretty filled in here today. Heavy white grayish sooty smoke out the stack. I don't think I'm going to pull the valve cover off and check the harness, only because this is starting like it's hydrostatically locked. So I believe the tip is dripping to the point where it's making the engine hard to start. It's filling the cylinder up with fuel. It definitely has a fuel knock. So that's where we are with this. This backstory on this, like I told you before when I was doing it, this did have 2 injectors put in at a Mack dealer, 2 different ones I believe. I don't know the whole backstory, but I do believe number 2 was one of the ones that was changed, because I do remember the connectors being a different color. It looked a lot cleaner and newer when I was plugging them in. I believe it was 2 and 4 or 2 and 5. So I will probably end up sending this out. I will check with the powers to be to see if it's under warranty or anything. But you know, this is stuff that happens when you work on engine stuff. So I want to show you the good and bad, and not everything works perfectly even after all the work I did do to this. I'll keep you updated, but that's where we are with this one. Alright guys, to the next one.